rape, are 3 or 4 witnesses required to prove rape?
The sister asked the question, are 3 or 4 witnesses required to prove rape? It's not necessary. If it's there, alhamdulillah. What is required for adultery? If you lay an allegation that so-and-so man or so-and-so woman is involved in adultery, that is zina, then minimum 4 witnesses required. And if you cannot get 4 witnesses, the person who lays the allegation according to Surah Nur, chapter number 24, verse number 4, they get 80 lashes. That's for adultery. For rape, if the witness is there, fine. Even if witness is not there, if there are circumstantial evidences, if it's proved, because in rape, not necessarily you will find 4 witnesses or 3 witnesses. So in rape, the circumstantial evidences, whoever is accused, if found guilty by whatever method, today there are many scientific methods, there is, you can test the even semen, etc., and come to know everything. Any circumstantial evidence which is enough proof to show undoubtedly that that person has committed rape, then he gets a capital punishment. Witness is not a must. If witness is there, that is additional help. Hope that answers the question.